Hello students, we'll start with this question. So a man walks a certain distance with a certain speed. If he walks half kilometer per hour faster, he takes 1 hour less. But if he walks 1 kilometer per hour slower, he takes 3 hours more. Find the distance covered by the man and his original rate of walking. So that means this question is from the chapter pair of linear equations. And here the equations are not given directly, they are given in the form of sentences which we have to decode and we have to write in the form of equations. So it is very simple. See, usually when you increase the speed, what happens? The distance you reach very fast, and if you decrease the speed, we take longer time to reach the destination. So that is what relationship which is mentioned in this. So what we have to do is, we have to take the speed and the time as x and y. So let us take, let the speed that is a certain speed which is mentioned here, we'll take the certain speed as, let the speed be x kilometer per hour, and also we'll take the relationship that is the time taken, we'll take it as y. So that is, let the time be y hours, and here they have mentioned that the relationship between the speed and time. So if he walks half kilometer per hour faster, so we'll take it as case 1. If he walks half kilometer per hour faster, that is speed. Initially we had taken x. Since he is walking half kilometer per hour faster, which gets added up, so you will get it as x plus 1 by 2 kilometer per hour. And the time we have initially taken as y. Since he is walking faster, he will take less time, that is 1 hour lesser than the initial time. So it is y minus 1 hour. And we know in physics that is the distance which is equal to speed into time, or we can say speed equals distance divided by time. So the distance traveled, which is equal to speed into time. See, the initial distance what we have taken here, the same distance is being covered in both the cases. So we will take speed into time, that is x into y, as the distance, which is equal to, here speed and time we have taken it as x plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1. We'll simplify this one, we will get it as x into y minus x into minus 1, which is minus x. Minus 1 by 2 into y, we will get it as y by 2. 1 by 2 into 1, we will get it as minus 1 by 2, which is equal to xy. So since we have the same on both the sides, xy and xy gets cancelled, and we'll send all these things on the right side except minus 1 by 2. So we'll keep minus 1 by 2 as it is. Minus x, when you send it on the other side, we'll get it as plus x. 1 y by 2 will send on the other side, so it is minus y by 2. Further, we will simplify this, that is 2x minus y, which is equal to, we will get it as minus 1. So this is the equation what we get from the case 1. Similarly, they have also mentioned the other case, so we will take that as the case 2. So in case 2, they are telling that, see, if he walks 1 kilometer per hour slower, that means he is reducing the speed. So we will take it as x minus 1. He takes 3 hours more. So the time is increased by 3 hours. So we will take it as y plus 3. So the same thing whatever we have done here, we will have to find the equation 2. So that is xy, which is the distance, which is equal to speed into time. So x minus 1 into y plus 3. We will simplify this one further, that is xy, which is equal to x into y plus x into 3, which we will get it as 3x. Minus 1 into y, we will get it as minus y. Minus 1 into 3, it is minus 3. So now we will simplify this by cancelling xy on both the sides. We will keep 3x minus y on the same side, that is 3x minus 5, and we will take this minus 3 on the other side, so we will get it as, which is equal to 3. So this one, let it be our equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 we already got it. So in pair of linear equations we have learned that we can simplify this by substitution method, or else you can simplify by elimination method also. So elimination method is easier, so we'll solve this by elimination method, that is 3x minus y, which is equal to 3, and the other equation is 2x minus y, which is equal to minus 1. We'll solve this by elimination method by changing the signs, that is minus, and since you have minus here, we'll have to change the other one, so we'll have to take it as plus, and here you have minus 1, we'll take it as plus 1. So now minus y and plus y gets cancelled, and we have 3x minus 2x, so we'll get x, which is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4. That means x we have taken it as speed, therefore we got the speed, that is x kilometer per hour, which is nothing but 4 kilometer per hour. By substituting this x in any of the equations, either you can substitute in equation 1 or in equation 2, you will get the value of y, that is, you will get y as 9 hours. And also in the question they are asking us to find the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time, which is equal to x into y, which is 9 into 4, we will get it as 36 kilometers. So this is the distance which is being travelled by the man. Thank you.